In this video, we'll walk through call forwarding plans and streams, a simple way to control where your calls go. Whether you're at your desk, working remotely, or stepping away for the day, you can create custom plans so your calls always reach you. Now, you can set up and manage call forwarding plans from the desktop application. So you want to go into settings right here, and then click on call routing to get started. Now, to create a new plan, you click on the plus icon and we give it a name like that. All right. Then we'll need to set our time preferences, which is when this plan should be active. You can also define ring intervals, how long each device rings, and even the sequence that they'll follow. Remember, the call to field is where you decide where your calls should ring. You can select your sub phone in the app, your IP desk phone, or a PSTN phone, like your mobile. Now, PSTN is a great fallback if you're dealing with network issues. It'll route the call through your regular phone carrier instead of the internet. So solid workaround when your connection isn't cooperating. Here's an example of a remote plan. So during the day from 8 to 5, your calls ring on your streamed soft phone. Now after hours, they automatically switch to your mobile PSTN number. So you can still take calls even if you're away from your desk. It's a really simple way to stay connected and make sure that no calls slip through. Now, once your plans are set up, you can easily switch between them anytime, right from the main app or even from your mobile application. Just remember, plans can only be created or edited on the desktop app. But once they're in place, you can easily switch between them from your mobile whenever you need to. And that's it. That's how you manage call forwarding plans and streams. Set them up once and stay connected wherever you are.